if you are looking for sites to make money online. Here are the top 5 websites that pay you for watching videos. I'm your friend Mr. UG Money to take you through the tutorial. Okay. Let's go. Number 1. Earnably. Earn free gift cards and cash. Earnably has paid over $140 million in cash to its members. Brands pay Earnably for consumer input. So, Earnably recruit members like you. When you do activities at Earnably, you earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. You can make money by watching videos, paid surveys, completing offers, playing games. Click watch videos to know more. As you can see, get paid for watching videos online. Click join to register. You can register using your Facebook account or enter your email, names and password. Number 2. Inbox dollars. Be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, shopping and cash offers. Earn cash for your everyday online activities. How you earn free cash by watching videos. Big brands companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay inbox dollars, and they share a portion of those earnings with you. You can even complete a short survey for money while you're catching up on the latest celebrity gossip or watching a cooking demonstration. Click watch videos. Watch videos. Earn rewards. Watch videos for money and free gift cards. Then sign up to start. Number 3. Ad wallet. Brands want your attention. Get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus unlock exclusive offers. Sign up now. Earn real money online from your favorite brands. Watch a video. Receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video, handpicked just for you. Get rewarded. Earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction. Make more money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Plus, download offers from brands you love. When you reach $10, cash out. No gimmicks or confusing point systems. It's real cash. Number 4. Instag. Digital gift cards received instantly. Join the fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. Join Instag to get started. Sign up using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. Earn points for things you already do online by completing surveys, watching videos. Number 5. Earnably. Digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. It's that easy. Sign up. Complete offers. Get rewards. Members are rewarded with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos and answering surveys.